Great. My name is Simeon. I'm from Nigeria. A particular state is Akwa Ibom State. In this project, I go extra miles to talk to my friend whose business is decoration. So I asked him some series of questions, and then I get the data from him, and then use it to design this personal decoration business project. So in this project, I will start by my dashboard over here. In this dashboard, I do the very best to make some design that when you hook on it like this, in these very columns, I interpret this column what it means. It means input by using explanatory text over here. So all these input cells, when you hook on it or click on it, you see the locations. Here tell us the stored locations. Here will tell us the gender. Here will tell us the material preferred. So let's get back to this place, cell person. In this cell persons, I have a design over here where I tap on here, writing down with the explanatory text here, cell person. This place tell us that if, because this is where I apply my if statement, that if this very cell here is greater than 200, I mean this average number. So average cells is greater than 200, then the cell person is requiring a bonus. Please give our cell person a bonus. So that is why I designed that for my friends whose business is decoration business. So therefore, when you tap on in here, you see that Marcus ABT is a kind of a cell person that is able to have the average of 261, which is above 200. So therefore, it requires a bonus. So we'll come over here. Each time you click all these cell persons, you notice that there is a change over here in the summary cell statistics beside this chart. So the chart over here will tell us the percentage of grand total of this business decoration. So when you click on the male, it will tell you how many male in this graph percentage. So Lineket, Ibno, Uyo, these are the location of the store. How many of them? The grand total. So it will tell you quickly, and also coming to the store over here, it will tell you in the store graph here, these are the average money spent and quantity. So this individual of sale person over here in this graph is the average sale person. The age of sale person in the horizontal, the vertical is the amount spent in dollars. So this is what I am able to design. So you can click over here, you will return to the normal graph status. So now let's go and see the decoration data set that I have collected from my friends. So the check over here under the quantity column, you have that if the quantity purchased is greater than 50 or equal to 51, greater than 51 or greater than or equal to 51, then the check mark is going to show here as 51. So that's what I designed for it. Now here you can see the spend limits. I send this notification for my friends so they can realize that if you want to advise a customer that is spending more, I design here that this very column T will tell you to spend less if this quantity is greater than 200. So right here, since the spend limit is within the range of this greater than 200, so it will show green over here in the money spent. But immediately this input here, let's say is 300. 300 is what you spend, the money spent. It will tell you to spend less in the next column. That's why I color it red, spend less. So that is where I apply my if function, and it's a nice thing that I did for my personal decoration business. So right here, the purple color tell us that the types of material preferred as decoration material preferred is the lining here. I made a conditional formatting to format across the data set. So that is that. So in this very age here, age of this individual, I go ahead to calculate the maximum age, the minimum, the standard deviation of this age group, and the fourth largest. We know here that in this column of age, the fourth largest is 33. So I'll go ahead to calculate even the average. So therefore, I also have the 90% in this very group. So I did this for easy interpretation. I also have a plus sign over here, which when you maximize it, it will show you the other unique function which I use, and which I also collapse it for easy convenience and also to tidy up. Thank you very much for this opportunity.